It's March, the weather is changing, and soon we'll be able to put away our winter woolens for a few months. I mean, unless you're on the southern hemisphere, then ignore everything I said, and I hope you have a wonderful winter coming up. But I'm in the northern hemisphere, so where was I? Oh yeah, putting away your winter clothes. Today we're making a lavender laundry spray. For this, you'll need lavender, of course. And a clean coffee maker, preferably one that hasn't been used for making coffee yet. Because, you know, coffee stains are tricky. I use this coffee maker for all my hydrolytes. I just clean it well between uses, and so far I haven't had any issues with stains or mixed scents. A spray bottle will come in very handy, but is not essential. This one is getting reused and used to hold air freshener, and it was quite hard to get the lingering scent out, but I was tenacious and managed it in the end. Prepare the coffee maker as usual, except instead of coffee, use lavender. You can make other hydrolytes, like for example rosemary or thyme. I mean, I call them hydrolytes, but proper hydrolytes are made in special machinery. This is sort of the knockoff own brand version, but it works really well. It's fast, and what more do you need? Put it on the stove in middling heat. Give the steam some time to develop and avoid burning the lavender. Once made, take the coffee maker off the stove and let the hydrolite cool a little. It should smell really beautifully of lavender already. Let it cool enough so the plastic bottle won't melt from the heat. Then fill up your bottle. The coffee maker makes a limited amount of lavender spray, and I usually make just enough so I can use it up within a few days. And so far I haven't had any issues with mold or any nastiness like that. Now, speaking of using up the spray, I use it in two ways mostly. First of all, I spray my pillow with it. Lavender is supposed to relax and aid in falling asleep. And personally, when I pull back the covers at night and get that first noseful of lavender, my mind just switches to relaxed mode. I don't think it's necessarily anything about the lavender, but rather my mind connects that scent with sleep now. But as long as it works, I don't really mind how. The second use is... Oh, remember earlier when I was rambling about woolens? Yeah, that. Lavender is a scent much beloved by old ladies like myself, and much hated by moths. So, in spring, when the weather gets warmer and woolly jumpers won't get used for a while, give them a spritz with lavender spray. Then let them dry thoroughly before putting them away at the back of the closet. Protects your clothes from moths, and they'll smell nice once you pull them out again in autumn. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe?